All right, let's review our months of the year. So the first month of the year is January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, say those months with me, please. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And right now we are in the month of October. All right, so today is Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, that means yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. So after the number 13 comes the number 14. So today is Wednesday, October 14th. And we have now been in school for 26 days. So let's make that number 26 with our base 10 blocks. So I'm going to need how many 10s? If I have a 2 in the tens place, I'm going to need how many 10s? Right, I'm going to need 2. And how many 1s cubes am I going to need? That's right, I'm going to need 6 because I have a 6 in the 1s place. So let's get our 6 1s cubes. And now we have represented the number 26 using our base 10 blocks. All right, guys, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you soon.